Good day, everyone. My name is Aaron Cabadonga. Together with my partner, Miss Rodil Erlin, we will be discussing our topic, which is creating teacher productivity materials using technology tools. I will be the first presenter and then followed by Miss Rodil. But before that, let us have our learning outcomes that will be obtained after the discussion. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to identify various instructional materials or IMs and technology tools in language learning. Second, explain the characteristics of good appropriate IMs and technology tools in learning language. Third one, create appropriate IMs using technology tools in learning language. And lastly, evaluate the relevance and appropriateness of ICT resources in language learning. Those are our learning objectives that we are hopeful na we're going to attain at the end of the lesson. Okay, information and communication technology or ICT, as we all know, is can be significantly useful as tools for language instruction. Here in the Philippines, the languages that are being taught to our pupils or students are mother tongue, Filipino, English, and other foreign languages. With the integration of ICT in teaching languages, there's a need to process data quickly and integrate voice, music, video, pictures, and text into lessons. Lessons can be fully addressed. According to ISLET, on 2017, it claims that ICT can be programmed to tailor instruction and tests for each individual language learner. So those are some of the background of what our topic is all about. Now let us discuss here computer-based instructional tools and materials in language teaching. There are numerous technology tools being used in language teaching and are fully supportive of the different types of instructional materials commonly used in language teaching. Below are some computer-based instructional tools and strategies that can be used as materials in language teaching. And these are computer assisted language learning or CAL and language instructional materials supported by technology tools. Now we're going to discuss first what is the CAL or the computer assisted language learning, and then followed by the language instructional materials. Computer assisted language learning or CAL, it is a fundamental part of English teaching methodology and is highly acknowledged means in attaining learning objectives. Computers provide many opportunities of exchanging ideas and information at both national and international level. Before this technology, students were not able to learn language easily and they had to face many hurdles and difficulties. The classical or the conventional methods used by the old teachers couldn't help the learners before to learn a foreign language effectively. Now with the help of computer, it has become a valuable tool of learning for modern students, according to Lodi on 2019. And according also to Islet on 2017, it also described CAL as one of the many tools and techniques that can help improve the students' language competencies. He claims that this new technology in language education has increased learner autonomy, creativity, productivity, and teamwork. Of course, with the help of computer. Now let us proceed to language instructional materials supported by technology tools. According to AJOC on 2017, it cited the different types of instructional materials in teaching English as a second language. These types are also useful in teaching other languages. Now the following slides contains instructional materials that uses um, technology tools. One of the common types of instructional materials in language teaching and learning is a chart. Charts can be seen on printed materials, but there are also presentations that can be enhanced and can be presented in a 3D or 4D form with the aid of course, with the aid of technology. Charts can help language learners read with understanding data and concepts that are not presented in text forms. So by the use of charts, students' writing skills beyond text writing are enhanced because some charts also involve how to show relationships and demonstrate processes and so on. So the following are some of the many types that can be used to develop charts. The first one we have Microsoft Word. I assume everyone is already familiar with this. And Microsoft Word does not only allow us to create documents, but it also has a provision to allow us create charts or graphs that will add to the visual appeal of the presentation of our text. This can help our students learn effectively, of course, in learning language. The second one is the Microsoft Excel. It it means the main feature of this app is to of course use spreadsheets applications and also create charts and graphs. But for language learners, a simple chart in Excel is more comprehensible than to see a lot of sheets and cells full of numbers, no? And the last one is PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint. PowerPoint offers a various tools that can make our presentation interactive and it features a lot, especially when we're going to present charts in a slide. Now let us move on to the posters. Let us move on to the posters. So many of the schools in the Philippines have been requiring their students to participate in poster making activities to further develop their creativity and also to help them express their ideas through a pictorial device. With the advent of tutorial videos on YouTube, students can develop more creative and digitalized posters. Moreover, there are several applications that students can download and use for their poster making activity. These are free samples of the free poster maker applications available on the internet. The first one is the Spark Post. It's a type of poster making tool that collects app and it is called Spark Post. This app offers a range of poster templates and layouts that we can use to create our own custom posters for sharing on social media and for print. The second one is the Canva Poster Maker, which I assume everyone is already familiar. It has hundreds of templates designed by their team of professional designers. These templates are or have shortcuts to great design and will have a custom poster in just an instant. That is one of the advantages upon using a Canva. The last one is the Poster Rename. It is a poster maker that redefines the meaning of design. It combines augmented reality, artificial intelligence or AI, and the gamification in a unique way. Now let us move on to the flashcards. Flashcards are indispensable instructional materials in language teaching. These are commonly used in reading and in teaching lessons in phonology and morphology. With the presence of free educational websites, language teachers will not have difficulty in preparing their flashcards. The following websites organized by Softonic on 2020 may help us or you prepare your flashcards for your language classes in the future. The first one is the Vocabla or English Dictionary. Vocabla focuses on the study of words to make expanding your vocabulary more fun and addictive. Vocabla introduces competitive elements with achievements and points in the rankings, just like in games. The unique feature of Vocabla is an add-on for Mozilla Firefox, which allows us to add words and create flashcards directly online. The second one is the Study Blue. Study Blue allows us to easily create flashcards with text, sound, and images. You can, for example, take a photo or draw something and then add more information manually or verbally. The last one is the Anki. It is a powerful multi-purpose application. Flashcards created using Anki can contain text, sound, images, and formatted documents in standard LaTeX. Moving on, we have here slides. Among the various types of materials that are available for projection, slides and film strips are the foremost visual aids. They are of great value in teaching traditionally. Slide projectors have been used by teachers for their slide presentation. These projectors have been used for projecting pictures from a transparent slide on a wall or screen. But nowadays, innovative and stimulating presentation applications are commonly used by teachers. These presentation software applications have very good features that can make the presentation of lessons near to seeing real objects and subjects. Some of these are Microsoft PowerPoint. According to Segundo and Salazar in 2011, in their research, it stated that PowerPoint, this program, has become the world's most widely used presentation program and is a complete presentation program that allows teachers to produce professional-looking presentation in EFL classrooms. Next, we have Google Drive presentation. Google Drive presentation is a cloud-based presentation. Hence, it is always available because you can always access it anytime. There is net connection using your PC, Chromebook, Android, and etc. Since it is part of the Google's software office, it's suited within the Google Drive. You can easily share it to your students in your language classes. Now we have here worksheets and forms. A worksheet is not only completed on printed materials, but this can also be accomplished through the web. By the use of some word processing software like Microsoft Word, a teacher can also develop electronic forms such as the following: Google Forms, the Quick Tap Survey, Monkey Survey Form, the Type Form, the Paper Forms, the Cognito Form, and Survey Planet, and lastly, Ninja Forms. And that concludes for the first part of our topic. The following topics will be discussed by my partner, Ms. Ruadil. Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned something. Thank you.